Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 7, invidious. 435 new stars today. Invidious solves the problem of watching YouTube without the bloat, ads, and pervasive tracking that the official site imposes, making it ideal for low-resource devices or privacy-conscious users. Technically, it stands out by bypassing YouTube's official APIs entirely, offering a minimal JavaScript-free interface, and providing a REST API and embedded video support for building custom clients. You can spin up a self-hosted instance in minutes, tap into a public instance, or use the API to integrate ad-free, background-playing YouTube into your own applications. Everything you need to prove the concept is in the repo. Number 6, Voice Pro. 58 new stars today. Voice Pro addresses the fragmented workflow of video dubbing and localization by combining YouTube download, vocal isolation, transcription, translation, and voice cloning into a single Gradio web UI, eliminating the need to glue together separate scripts and APIs. It showcases practical orchestration of state-of-the-art models like Whisper, Demux, F5 TTS, and Cozy Voice for zero-shot voice cloning, giving developers a ready-to-study reference for integrating these tools into a production-like pipeline. The repository is instantly useful for building custom AI-powered media processing tools, and its modular design makes it easy to swap in your own models or extend the translation and TTS capabilities. Number 5, GH Stack. 46 new stars today. Large pull requests slow down review and hide critical changes and noise. GH Stack automates the creation and rebasing of small linked PR branches, so each logical change gets focused feedback. It eliminates the manual work of tracking parent-child branch relationships and ensuring each PR targets the right base branch, reducing the risk of merge conflicts and review fatigue. Its tight integration with the GitHub CLI and the optional AI agent skill makes it a practical tool for any team that wants to adopt stacked PR workflows without switching platforms or paying for third-party services. Number 4, Copilot-sdk. 142 new stars today. This SDK lets you embed GitHub Copilot's agentic workflows directly into your own applications, so you can automate multi-step tasks without building custom planning, tool invocation, or file editing logic. It gives you a production-tested runtime that handles reasoning and action execution the same engine that powers Copilot CLI, reducing the need to develop and maintain your own orchestration layer. With native support for Python, TypeScript, Go, .NET, Java, and Rust, it's a polyglot, vendor-backed alternative to stitching together multiple AI libraries or building agents from scratch. Number 3, generative-ai-for-beginners. 108 new stars today. This course cuts through the hype and gives you a structured, code-first path from zero to building functional generative AI applications using Python and Jupyter notebooks. Instead of just explaining concepts, each of the 21 lessons forces you to work with real APIs and SDKs from Azure OpenAI and OpenAI, so you finish with a portfolio of working prototypes rather than just theory. The curriculum is unique because it pairs every lesson with a hands-on assignment and links to extra credits, making it a self-contained workshop that respects a developer's time and need for practical, runnable code. Number 2, reverse skill. 1,320 new stars today. When your AI coding agent gets handed a reverse engineering or penetration testing task, it wastes most of its time guessing tools and commands instead of following a reproducible methodology. This package gives the agent a live expert system that routes every target APK, ELF JS crypto, PCAP, CTF to the right playbook, auto-installs missing toolchains, and captures findings so the team learns from every engagement. Its primary technical advantage is the combination of a declarative master routing matrix, on-demand bootstrapping via PowerShell scripts, and a self-updating knowledge base that turns ad hoc forensic notes into version-controlled operational contracts. Number 1, Kaneo. 760 new stars today. Kaneo replaces bloated project management tools that distract teams with unnecessary features, offering a self-hosted MIT licensed workspace that stays out of your way and keeps your data under your control. Its TypeScript codebase is optimized for speed and simplicity, with a single Docker Compose file that spins up the entire stack in seconds, making it a refreshing alternative to slow, complex SaaS platforms. Developers can audit the code, contribute, or deploy a production instance immediately using the Drim CLI, and see how a project management tool can be both minimal and fully functional.